you're doing, so he's good at that. Which means you guys are next. Yeah, those are good too, but his kind of, you know, he's wearing boy shoe, you're wearing girl shoe. I can't really wear yours. You can get where I'm coming from. Okay, here we go. Couple number 2. 1, 2, 3. And pose. Pose again. And pose again. And you're gonna work it. Work it. Work it. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Okay. Okay, now take it on back. Take it on back. Take it on back. Okay, right here. Right here. Alright, there we go. Couple number 3. You ready? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it. And pose. Pose again. And pose again. Now you gotta work it. Work it. Work it up. Work it up. Work it up. Whoa. 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 Alright. Take it on back. Take it on back. She's like, okay, I'm gonna go low, I'm gonna go low. He's like, girl, I ain't going that far. Oh Lord. Couple number 4. No, I'm not even gonna say anything. Here we go! Walk it, walk it, walk it down. Hey, 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 and pose! Pose again! And pose! Now you're gonna work it up, work it up, work it, work it. Okay, okay. Take it on back, take it on back. Sir, not because you have an iPhone X, you have to come on my stage and take a selfie. We know it's got good camera. You ain't gotta do that, okay? You're recording. If I'm gonna record it, record you while you go? Sir, recording you is his job. Who looks like a photographer to you? Okay, I'm gonna record it. 40 US per megapixel or whatever you call it. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, walk it, walk it, walk it. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Okay. They're taking forever to get here, okay. Okay. Okay, they're still getting here. Yeah, they're still getting here, still waiting. Okay, they're finally here. Now pose. Okay. And pose again. Okay, forget the posing. Just work it up. And work it up. And work it up. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, okay, okay. That's enough working it. That's enough working it. I said that's enough working it. Okay, sir, here you go. Here you go. Okay, yeah. Now the whole of Instagram can see you making babies at Sandals. There you go. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, here we go. Take it all the way down, DJ. I will do that. All right, now audience. This is the part of the show where I'm gonna ask you to vote for your favorite couple. All right? Take it out a little, DJ. So by your screams and applause, we're gonna know who's gonna walk away with the prize tonight. So let's do a practice run. Audience, make some noise. You guys sound so hungry, it's not even funny. Audience, make some noise! Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. Alright, here we go. The guy with the Nike shoes, right? Is it couple number 1? You know what? You guys are in the lead. Don't worry about it. You guys are in the lead. Is it couple number 2? Okay, how much did you pay that guy? Because he came from the beach and just came in there and I don't know. Is it couple number 3? Is that your dad? Is that your cousin? Is that your neighbor? What is he to you? Is it couple number 4? You think it's the shoes? You really think it's the shoes? Look at his shoe. Look at his shoe. Look at my shoe. You really think it's the shoes? So what brand is that? Tell us what brand it is.
Tom's, man. I'll give it back to people, you know?
Tom's. Like, do you know about Tom's? Buy a pair, give it? No. No, sir, sorry. Talk to us when you buy 2 and then get 1 free. Talk to us then. Is it couple number 5? Alright, couple number 4. And, okay, next one also couple number 5 again. Okay, now make some noise for couple number 5 without her making noise for themselves. Okay, you guys just stay right there. I'm gonna start this out real quick. Is it couple number 1? Couple number 2? 3? Okay, all 2 of you, including that guy. Thank you. What about couple number 5? Okay, couple number 5, step forward, step forward, step forward. You need a drink? Girl, you paid a lot of money to be here, you get lots of drinks, okay? Just say it, not maybe you have to buy it or something. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen right now. You guys step out into the light, step out into the light, step out into the light. Okay. DJ, you know what to do, right? Now, gonna have a seat at this naughty table right now. Now here's what's gonna happen. This challenge is called... Yeah, we don't want you recording this. I may get fired, alright? Yes. This challenge is called the Sexy Kiss Challenge. Yes. So the DJ is gonna play something nice and smooth, and you're gonna just, you know, get it on with your mouths and your salivas and stuff like that. You're gonna just do whatever the hell you want to do. Audience, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, sir, leave the singing to Marvin Gaye, please. DJ, hit it! Don't even think about moving. Stand right there. No, no, no. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Come. Okay. Okay. Yeah. How long have you guys been married? 12 days. Okay. Give it up for 12 days. Yes. How long have you guys been married?
We've been together for 5 years.
And not married?
There's a ring shop right over there.
This is some Jerry Springer shit up here. Give it up for 5 years. You went married and you're humping away on my dance floor. I don't understand you people. Alright, here we go. Serious ones. Is it couple number 1? Are you guys done? Is it couple number 2? I don't know.
Two.
Tie?
No,
so we don't do ties and sandals. We don't do that. Calm down. Sir, you know you gotta pay us for that video, right? Alright, Slick, you're gonna give me the same song, right? You're gonna give me, sir, this is not Burger King. You don't have it your way, you have it my way. There we go. You're gonna give me the same song, DJ. Hold on, don't play yet. Here's what's gonna happen. Don't worry, it's not the same thing, right? Now, the audience and I are gonna count down from 10 to 1. And when we say 1, you're gonna give us a sexy pose, like together. Alright? And then we're gonna decide who walks away with the prize. You guys got it? You have 3 seconds to think about it. 3, 1, 0. DJ, hit it. Audience, you ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pose. Is it couple number 1? Couple number 2? Okay. Couple number 1? Okay, now be quiet. Okay, thank you. Couple number 2. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it is safe to say that the winner of the the winner of the best dressed couple is, drum roll please. Give it up for couple number. Now don't forget, after this, we're on the outside for the fireside show. What did I say? All you heard was fireside, sir? That's all you heard? Couple number 1! Yes. Yeah, you guys can hug it out. Okay, yes. Congratulations. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for all our couples on stage tonight. Mr. Engineer, are you ready? Engineer, you ready? All right, cool.